Hey, thanks for being here. I wanted to talk today about something special, something near and dear to my heart, the power plant. The power plant is an AC regenerator, as most of you know, and it's not a power conditioner. So the hairs at the back of my neck start going up when people say, oh, it's a power conditioner, it's a power modifier. No. A power conditioner takes and filters out high-frequency noise on the line, and that's a good thing. That's great. But it doesn't fix the actual problems on the power line. So the actual problems that we are concerned with as audiophiles is regulating the power, lowering the impedance, and getting rid of the flat topping that happens so often in our homes and in our stereo systems. Those problems greatly affect the way your system is going to sound. And it's especially true on source equipment. I can't emphasize that more. And we're going to talk about that. And I'm going to try and make this not too long, but just enough that you can get the idea of what's going on. So we share our power with our neighbors, unless we live out in the middle of nowhere. And even then, we are miles away from the power station. And as we draw current over these long lengths, sometimes hundreds and hundreds of feet before the power transformer of wire, we get these drops because of resistance in the wire. There's nothing you can do about it. And as that happens, we lose regulation, we lose the shape of the sine wave, and we increase the impedance. All things not so great for sonics. A power conditioner only makes that worse because it too adds more impedance, more resistance to the line. That's how it works. So a power regenerator is an active power amplifier with a sine wave generator running it, and it puts out fully regulated, perfect low distortion power. And the difference it makes in the way your equipment sounds is instantly recognizable. Okay, so that's your brief history on power conditioners. Now, sources are really, really sensitive to the problems of power. And what I like to do, and what I am suggesting people do, is get a separate power plant like this little guy here, but use it only for your sources, right? Don't try and plug a power amp in. Now look, on the back of this, you've got multiple outlets, right? Let's see if we can. Okay, so these two are designed for a power amplifier, and they're just a regular power conditioner. They don't regenerate. Don't use those, right? This is the power plant 3. But this beauty has 4 outlets that are fully regenerated. And if you were to use those, without breaking my desk here, this thing is heavy, to power your source gear, like your transport, your preamp, your DAC, those things on a separate power plant P3 are just amazing, just stunning. And one of the things we're doing in all of our installations, in our reference room, we've got big P20s powering the whole thing. But we're taking the P3 and we are using it specifically for sources. Again, not the power ones, but these 4 in the back, amazing. So if you have a chance to audition a P3, put it solely on your sources, and then you can do anything else you want on the power amps. Hopefully you put a power plant on it, but a separate source power plant, like the P3 or the P12, is nothing short of amazing, and I encourage you to give it a try. All right. Thanks for listening. Bye.